Mary and I are going to show you how to determine the pitch of a roof. Now we're doing the fascia up there on the end of the trailer, and we need to know what the pitch of the roof is, and I'll show you a real simple method. Right here we got a speed square, Stanley speed square, and this is important, this pivot point. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up there and pivot it off the peak of the roof to determine the rise, and it's either one of these numbers here. It's generally like, this is probably a 3, what they call a 312, but I'll show you how we do it. Get up to the peak. I wouldn't recommend standing on top of a ladder, but this one's different. This ladder's different. This is a heavy duty, and this top is meant to be stood on or for planks. But we put the pivot point on the peak and line it up plumb, perfectly plumb in the very center. In this case, I'm using the line on the 2x6 here. And then you look at the number on the top of the roof here. This roof line is the main line you want to get. And sure enough, it's a 3. So that means it's for every 12 inches, it rises 3 inches. It's considered a 312. So then we'll go down and mark that on the fascia board we're going to put up. Okay, remember the pivot point here? And these ain't always black. Sometimes they're orange and just plain, zinc color. So this being the top of the fascia, and this being the bottom, I'm going to come in a little bit, but you put it on. You can put it anywhere, but you still have that pivot point. See that? And you pivot it up to the top line, the top of the piece of molding or the roof or whatever, and line it up with the 3, and that's the angle. It's as simple as that. So, hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Talk at you later.